Awesome edition of Tech Trend. Our Tech Tips shares 3 WordPress security plugins you can combine, and our App of the Week provides a guide on the operations of the National Industrial Court. Also look out for our online security and giveaway segment. This is Tech Trend, and I'm Chukwemeka Agbata.
The 2017 Toy Fair in New York showcases more than 1,000 toy producers, distributors and sales agents scouting for the next big thing in the competitive toy market. While there were many trends to choose from, an analyst says the most prominent trends included movies, technology and collectibles.
One of the trends that has really been building momentum is the collectible trend. Just a couple of years ago, we started seeing very, very small toys and maybe little blind bags. You didn't know what you were getting, and it was kind of interesting and new, and now it's everywhere.
Lego, a market leader known for its iconic building blocks, showed its own line of collectibles. But making the biggest noise, literally, was its screaming cat, an audible representation of Lego's newest platform called Boost. It allows children build toys with Lego blocks and code them with motion and using an iPad.
Lego Boost, because it's putting digital together with physical play in a way that only Lego can do. We're super excited about Lego Brickheads, which is a very collectible platform, a whole new way to build characters with Lego. And we're also really excited about the growth that we're seeing in Lego Friends, which is our girls' platform, and is also encouraging them to build across our portfolio with things like Star Wars and Creator.
Other producers like Wicked Cool Toys also showcase collectibles and technology, bringing back Teddy Ruxpin, the iconic talking bear from the 1980s.
The biggest trend in the toy industry in 2017 is all about theatrical entertainment. In a typical year of the toy business, you see 6 to 8 films that have toy tie-ins. This year, they're close to 25, and most of them are going to be quite big. I mean, you look at the lineup that you have Beauty and the Beast and Power Rangers, Guardians of the Galaxy, you have Spider-Man, Cars 3, and of course, you have the big one at the end of the year, the next edition of Star Wars.
Mattel, also strong on the movie trend, is showing Barbie Hologram, a doll with voice recognition and artificial intelligence.
So this year we have Hot Wheels Track Builder, and you can now infuse it with bricks. So we've taken what boys love, construction and vehicle play, and you can now build out your own world of Hot Wheels. So it's super fun, and you can build, create, experiment in various ways with Hot Wheels. From Barbie, we have Barbie on the Go, which is a track set that you can take Barbie. She has riding horses, she has cars, she can travel around this village. They're all interconnected, and it's a fun way to take Barbie with you. From DC Superhero Girls, we have new characters, and we have a Wonder Woman jet.
The 2017 Toy Fair shows once again that the toy industry is still on the rise.
So all of our brands across our Fur Real friends, we have a new animatronic pet tiger that is so fun and looks so realistic. It strains credibility to believe that it's actually a toy and not an actual animal. And then across all of our partner brands, with Beauty and the Beast coming up, we have a new Belle, which is a star of Beauty and the Beast, where kids can code a dance move, and then the Belle doll actually does the dance that the child has coded.
According to the NPD Group's retail tracking service, the U.S. toy market grew to $20.36 billion in 2016, which is a 5% jump in sales from 2015. The chief executive of Uber Technologies has ordered an urgent investigation into claims of sexual harassment at the ride-hailing service made by a former employee. Chief Executive Travis Kalanick instructed his Chief Human Resources Officer to investigate the accusations described in a blog post by Susan Fowler, who worked as an engineer at Uber from November 2015 to December 2016. In a statement, Kalanick called Fowler's allegations abhorrent against everything Uber stands for and believes in. Fowler wrote in a blog post published that she was subjected to sexual advances But when she reported the offense to human resources officials and management, they declined to punish the offender because he was a high performer. Fowler, who is now an engineer at the payments company Stripe, says her manager used the company's chat software to make advances towards her. She took screenshots of the messages and reported them. According to her, the management said instead that they wouldn't feel comfortable punishing him for what was probably just an innocent mistake on his part. Fowler's tale prompted a backlash, including a revival of the #DeleteUber movement, which stemmed from accusations that the San Francisco ride service aimed to profit from a protest last month at New York's John F. Kennedy Airport, following President Donald Trump's executive order banning refugees and immigrants from certain countries. Arianna Huffington, who joined Uber's board last year, wrote in a tweet that she would work with the company's new Chief Human Resources Officer, Leanne Hornsey, to conduct the investigation. Many women working in Silicon Valley, particularly in high technical roles, say they've experienced misogyny and harassment in the male-dominated field. The era of cloud computing is affecting organizations in a number of ways, disrupting IT distribution and even changing the important role of the IT department. And that's why this event was put together by Oracle and the Idea Hub in Yaba Lagos Technology Center to sensitize startups on the future of cloud technology and how businesses can leverage it for process optimization, growth, and profitability. The concept of cloud computing is a type of internet-based computing that provides shared computer processing resources and data to computers and other devices on demand. The tech workshop also highlights how developers can tap in key into the cloud trend, creating employment and wealth in their area of specialty.
The entrepreneurs in the ICT sector, for instance, when His Excellency was here, he had mandated that a facility here should be turned over to us, to our ministry and the Bile Holdings, for us to be able to build an ICT hub around Yaba. We have identified over 60 ICT-based businesses around this locale, and they all have different kind of challenges: broadband, power, startup, incubation, acceleration program. So we are taking a holistic approach.
In a report by Cloud Technology Intelligence, 77% of chief information officers in the United Kingdom are finding it difficult to establish which cloud services are suitable for their organization and how to implement them, which means traditional industries find themselves under increasing pressure to transform and upgrade. As enterprises are moving to the cloud, it's changing a whole lot more than just where companies' data and services are sitting.